Hi, good evening, everybody. I just installed the Woodman's Android player, and I replaced with the original infotainment that was given by Skoda. I had some reviews about this, and I must tell you that by the look of it, it looks really, really good, and the features are extremely nice. It also has Android Auto. It is also configurable with most of the brands. Like I have just now done it. This is probably the first car that got upgraded to Woodman. So, and we've tested it, and most of the features work very smoothly, and even the transitions are very, very fast. I have tested all that. Also, if you go to the App Store, you can install a lot of apps. It depends upon how much memory and storage you need. The YouTube works very well. I've tested that. And yeah, if you also look at the brake and the reverse camera, it works smoothly. This is still working with the company fitted camera, so which is also interesting, so you don't have to install a new one. This also comes with a 360-degree camera if you want to install, and price wise, this is a very, very cost effective model. And as you can see, you can look at YouTube and it's as if you're using your phone, so this is really, really good. Also, if you look at the audio quality is fantastic, so please do look for it, and yeah, I should say it's a very good buy. Thank you.
तो इस पे आपको स्टीयरिंग कंट्रोल भी कंपनी का जो भी फीचर था वो भी वर्क हो जाएगा.
और डैशबोर्ड वाले फीचर्स में भी कोई मिसिंग नहीं है. यू कैन कंटिन्यू यूजिंग. ये सेटिंग्स चेंज कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो इम्पैक्ट टू इट. इट ऑल्सो so nothing is connected to that, so in that way you are safe.
और इस पे रोबो भी है. ओपन यूट्यूब, ओपन नेविगेशन.
So as you can see, it is very, very quick. Even the normal infotainment that we get, it's not that quick, so I would really recommend this, guys.
ओपन रेडियो, वॉल्यूम डाउन, वॉल्यूम डाउन, वॉल्यूम अप. ये हो गया नेविगेशन.
और साउंड क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छा है इसका.
तो इसका एंड्रॉइड ऑटो कारप्ले भी फीचर्स देख सकते हैं आप.
वो कनेक्टेड है ना,
वो ऑटोमेटिक है. ये आपको एंड्रॉइड ऑटो कारप्ले में.
यस. और ट्रांजिशन में कोई फर्क नहीं है. आप एंड्रॉइड ऑटो यूज करो या नॉर्मल इसका वुडमैन का, the transition is very, very fast, as you can see. So and you can also change the song from here, so the connection works very smoothly. The different wallpapers, different options, speedometer, logos. If you want to show Skoda as a BMW car, you can do that also by changing the logo. Yeah. और क्या इसमें अलग अलग. हाँ, यहाँ पे आप अपना गाड़ी का माइलेज वगैरह भी चेक कर सकते हैं. So basically ट्रांजिशन बहुत, मतलब in terms of functionality of the car, most of the functionality यहाँ पे आपको available मिलेगी. And for more features, of course, you can go through their website and see क्या options हैं. Tire settings, TPMS. तो आपको अपना स्पीडोमीटर वगैरह, आप इन टर्म्स ऑफ वार्निंग चाहिए स्पीड, उसका भी सेटिंग इसमें अवेलेबल है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शनैलिटी जो कंपनी प्रोवाइड करती है वो इसमें अवेलेबल रहेगा, सो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं.